In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create black and white video effect in DaVinci Resolve. First, open the DaVinci Resolve app. With your project loaded and your footage already in the timeline, head to the color page along the bottom of the interface. Click Color, then click the clip you want to convert so it's highlighted in the viewer. That ensures every change you make applies to the correct shot. You'll start in the color wheels, also called the primaries. This is the default panel on the color page, and it gives you quick access to essential image controls. For the fastest black and white conversion, find the saturation control beneath the wheels and drag it all the way down to 0. As you lower saturation, the color drains evenly across the image, leaving a clean, neutral grayscale look. This method is ideal when you want a consistent monochrome style across multiple clips with minimal fuss, and it preserves the overall luminance balance of the shot. If you want more creative control over how different colors translate into shades of gray, use the alternative approach. Open the RGB mixer by clicking its icon, then check the monochrome box. This converts the image to black and white while giving you the ability to shape tonality by channel. It's similar to using colored filters in traditional black and white photography, letting you emphasize or de-emphasize parts of the image that were originally red, green, or blue. With monochrome enabled, adjust the red, green, and blue sliders to fine-tune brightness contributions from those channels. Raising red brightens areas that were red or skin-toned, often adding a natural lift to faces. Increasing green can open up foliage and midtones with a balanced feel. Boosting blue brightens skies and cool elements, but it can reveal noise, so keep adjustments subtle. For more punch, try a balancing act. Nudge one channel slightly up while lowering another a touch to build contrast without losing detail. Watch the highlights and shadows as you go. The goal is a pleasing grayscale separation where whites aren't clipping and blacks aren't crushed. Both methods produce a true black and white effect. The difference is how much control you want. The saturation approach is quick and uniform, while the RGB mixer with monochrome lets you craft mood and emphasis by channel. Once you've dialed in a look you love, play the clip to confirm it holds throughout the shot. And that's it. You've created a black and white video effect in DaVinci Resolve, either with a simple saturation pull or with precise channel mixing for tailored contrast and character.